In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft Viva product overview. We'll start by opening the Microsoft 365 apps launcher in your browser. This is the same grid icon you use to access tools like Outlook, OneDrive, and Teams. From there, locate the Viva app. If your organization has it enabled, you'll see it alongside your other apps. Go ahead and open Viva to bring all of its experiences into one place. If you use Microsoft Teams, you can also access Viva directly inside Teams, which keeps everything in the flow of your work. Once you're in, the first experience to explore is Viva Connections. Think of Connections as your company's front door inside Teams. It brings your intranet, a personalized dashboard, a curated feed, and even town halls together for easy access. Your dashboard can surface quick action cards for things like time off, expenses, or HR resources, so you don't have to jump between sites. The feed highlights relevant news and updates from across your organization, while town halls help leaders share announcements at scale. A helpful tip here is to pin the most used resources to your dashboard so your everyday tasks are just a click away. Next is Viva Engage. This is where communities and conversations thrive. Engage helps people connect across departments, celebrate wins, and participate in leadership discussions. You can post updates, ask questions, recognize colleagues, and join community events or virtual town halls. It's a great place for leaders to run open conversations or host AMA-style sessions. If you're new to a team or project, following the right communities is an easy way to ramp up and stay informed. Now, let's look at Viva Insights. Insights provides data-driven, actionable guidance to improve productivity and well-being. You'll see personal suggestions like booking focus time, setting meeting-free blocks, and protecting quiet hours. For managers and leaders, there are aggregated privacy-protected views that reveal work patterns, such as collaboration overload, so you can make informed changes. Viva Pulse adds quick feedback tools to check in with teams and act on what you learn. A best practice is to review your daily and weekly recommendations and commit to small habits that reduce distraction and support balance. Finally, open Viva Learning. This brings training into the flow of work by aggregating content from LinkedIn Learning, Microsoft Learn, and other providers your company uses. You can search for courses, bookmark them, share with teammates, and track progress without leaving Microsoft 365 or Teams. If your organization assigns learning paths, they'll appear here so you always know what's required and what's recommended. That's the core of Microsoft Viva, connections for your home base,